If you're a marketing agency, you're more than likely utilizing AI agents for your clients. This could be voice AI or conversation AI. And we know that having a knowledge base ensures proper communication with the most up-to-date information for leads, clients, or customers that are contacting the business with inquiries. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can export your knowledge base as a CSV or Google Sheet. This ensures that the information that you're using in HighLevel across the board with other tools is in sync. You might want to do audits, you might want to do updates, and this makes the process super convenient and easy. Let's dive in. Make sure that you're on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, click on AI Agents. Once you've done that, just scroll up to Knowledge Base and select Knowledge Base. Here you'll see your list of knowledge bases. In this case, we're going to be looking at our Med Spa knowledge base. So we're going to just simply click on the name of that knowledge base, and you'll see here the information that you have listed in the knowledge base. In this case, I actually have 4 tables. So you can click on Web Crawler, FAQ, Tables, Rich Text, and Files. Let's click on Tables. Once you click on Tables, you'll see a list of your tables for this specific knowledge base. In this case, you can see that I have information around pricing, aftercare instructions, packaging, and more. What you're going to do is go over to the right and simply click on Download CSV File, and that's going to download that CSV file knowledge base for you. Now, do keep in mind that if you used Google Sheet to integrate your knowledge base, you want to make sure that they are synced up before downloading. Now you'll have the information directly at your fingertips so that you can ensure that this information is used across different tools, as well as making audits and updates to your knowledge base. Be sure to use this feature today to make sure that your AI agents are up to date with information, as well as anything that you're using outside of the business to make sure that everything is accurate. Now, if you're interested in updating information inside of the knowledge base table, make sure that you keep the headers and schema intact. Then you can go ahead and re-upload your CSV table. So start using this feature to ensure that your clients are happy and that their customers are getting the most up-to-date information. Don't forget to check out the corresponding help doc below. And for more tutorials like this one, check out our Content on Me playlist. I'll see you guys in the next video.